ba or nagbe-binge eat talaga ako kapag nagpi-PMS. Kain ako ng kain tapos nagbo-bloat din ako. Tsaka mahilig talaga kami sa travel so hirap iwasan na ang mga masasarap na pagkain. Buti na lang meron ako nakita sa Shopee na pwede kong i-take para malasan ang bloating ko. Tagal ko na gustong i-try itong enzyme jelly and it claims to help flush out toxins in just 6 to 8 hours. Mixed berry flavor siya and it comes in sachets. Yung active ingredients niya ay chia seeds with plant enzymes, Garcinia gamboja, white kidney bean, and camellia extract. Lahat ng ingredients na ito nakakatulong umiwas sa craving, lessen bloating, high in protein and fiber, and it promotes weight loss. Here are 3 ways to enjoy LivBalance enzymes and collagen jelly. First is enjoy them straight from the sachet. They are jelly-like food supplements which makes it easy, convenient, and you can bring it anywhere and take it at any time. Make sure to drink water afterwards. Second way to enjoy it is a shake. This is usually my reward after every workout and you only need half an apple, 1 small banana, and the jelly of your choice. You need 1 scoop of ice and 1/2 cup of milk. You no longer need to add chia seeds because the mixed berries flavor already contains chia seeds. I love to eat this in the morning and sure talaga na mawawala constipation niyo dito. You can see the effects after 6 to 8 hours. Lastly is you can mix the jelly with any type of yogurt that you like. I only put 1/2 cup, slice up the jelly, and you can add fruits or nuts for added flavor. This is how I add LivBalance enzyme into my daily life.